A new law on who is now allowed to be drafting and submitting your housing plans to the City Council as well as manage your building projects has been made effective 1st of October this year, the Statutory Instrument 56 of 2025. So before you start with your housing plans, your buildings, your renovations, you need to watch this video. Stay with me to the end. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Engineer Elaine. In today's video, we are going to be talking about this new building law which was made public on the 13th of October this year through the office of the acting town clerk, Engineer P. Moyo. We are going to have a look at this law, the changes, what it means, how you can stay compliant and avoid losing your money. To my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much. Those who are watching me for the first time and those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Let us grow together. Alright, let us get straight into it. Let us have a look at the notice. So in simple terms, this new law is saying only registered architects or other professionals that are recognized by the law of Zimbabwe, the likes of engineers, QAs, and architectural technologists are the only ones who are now allowed to be drafting and submitting your housing plans for approval at the City Council. So this means that if you, the owner of a house or a project, go ahead and seek the services of people who do not fall under this category, the fines and the penalties, they will be on you. This also means that you are going to lose your money, as you will have to be forking money twice or thrice to be doing a process that you were supposed to be doing once. Unfortunately, the laws that are being made nowadays, they are being made in such a way that they are going to be affecting the person who is offering the services and you, the person who is looking for these people to offer you services when they are not fully registered. They are doing so because they are saying we are the ones who are fueling the activities of these unregistered professionals. Here in Zimbabwe, over the years, we have witnessed and we are still witnessing chaos and mayhem in the construction industry. There are many fly-by-night individuals who are taking upon roles that they are not professionally and legally allowed to be doing so. If someone is not registered under the Architects Council or a recognized professional body, they are not legally allowed to prepare architectural drawings. The law defines the work of an architect as the things like designing buildings, preparing plans or drawings, and supervising construction work. So these tasks are now legally protected. So if you go ahead and seek the services of people that are not falling under the categories that I mentioned, it is unfortunate that your work is not going to be approved by the City Council, which means that you will end up having to fork out twice or thrice money in order to rectify something that you would have done correctly the first time. Unfortunately, the laws that are being made nowadays, they are being made in such a way that they are going to be penalties for the person who is providing these services, and you, the person who is going to seek for the services of these unregistered people. The reason being, we are the ones who are fueling these illegal activities. As of the 13th of October this year, on which this law was made public, the City Council of Harare and the City Council of Bulawayo, they have clearly stated that they are no longer approving housing plans that are going to be coming from people who are not in the professional bodies that I mentioned earlier on. Now, let us have a look at why this law matters. Why now? Already, a lot are already thinking this law is going to make building very expensive. It is going to inflate the prices of building, as all those professionals that I mentioned, they come at a cost. But actually, this law is meant to protect you, the home. Already, there are many cases at the courts here in Zimbabwe of individuals who are masquerading to be engineers, architects, and QAs. These individuals are now facing the wrath of the law. So you, the homeowner, the owner of the project, before you get the services of people, or before you even get the services of Elaine, make sure they are whom they say they are. Buildings that are poorly designed or those that are not approved can lead to structural failures resulting in deaths, or it can result to conflicts and demolitions. So this law is meant to protect you, the public, the homeowners and builders. Some people may feel that this new law makes building more expensive, but in reality, it's about protecting you, the homeowners. The SI 56 of 2025 is meant to raise standards, improve safety, and make sure that people investing in their dream homes are getting quality work from quality professionals. As of date, Harare, Bulawayo, Bindura, and Masvingo, they have already put out their notices for this SI 56 of 2025. So before you hire someone to do your building plans and to supervise your construction projects, make sure they are professionals and they fall under the categories that I have mentioned. These are the architects, the engineers, the QAs, and the architectural technologists. So, what do you think of this new law? Is it going to improve the standards and the quality of the houses that are being built in the cities, or they're actually going to make it harder and more expensive for those that are doing small projects? Let us engage in the comment section on your thoughts on this matter. This is Elaine Matenga, helping you build smarter, safer, and legally in Zimbabwe. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Until next informative video, cheers.